Today we'll be showing you how to remove the battery. As you can see, I think they will be having some problems because of this fender. But we will show you how to remove the battery. What was that? Okay, so what you did, you push forward, huh? You push forward, right?
You check.
Okay, sorry, check again.
But this sorry. This
See?
second. No.
Okay, again. So this one, okay. What you did, first step. What you did, first step.
The first step is remove.
This one remove.
Yeah.
This one remove.
This one.
Okay.
No problem. Remove this step.
Bas. Okay.
This rod, this cancel. This two rod, na. This two rod, this one rod, this rod cancel. This one rod, this fifth.
Okay, this one is at the back side, right?
Yeah. Back side remove. No cancel.
Cancel.
No cancel.
Okay. Only here.
Yeah, this side one.
Okay. But then you push.
Push.
You push. Shove. Remove battery.
Check.
Push. Okay.
Push.
But then, okay. Up. Okay. Tagiga. Okay. So this rod mafia,
Yeah, this is
nothing.
This, cancel.
This cancel, huh?
Yeah, this one side cancel.
This one side cancel.
One side this rod.
One side cancel. One rod cancel.
Cancel.
Okay. Okay, put it back again. Now put it back. So that's how you remove the battery. Now we'll teach you how to put it back.
Check.
Okay, so this position, huh?
You check.
This position. Okay, and then this one.
This one.
Sure. Okay.
This one.
This one here, huh?
This one.
Guides, huh?
Yeah.
This one guide. And then you put the rod back.
This one.
So there you have it.
Check.
Okay. There you have it. This is all for all designs, huh? 1.0, 2.0, same, huh? Okay. Okay, thank you, Muhammad.